In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your GeForce Now email. It's important to know before you begin that GeForce Now uses your NVIDIA account email, so you won't actually be changing it inside the GeForce Now app itself. Instead, you'll update the email connected to your NVIDIA account, and that new email will then be used for GeForce Now as well. To get started, head over to the NVIDIA account portal. Once you arrive, sign into your account if you haven't already. Make sure you're using the correct account, especially if you have more than one email address or multiple gaming-related accounts. That helps avoid updating the wrong profile by mistake. After you're signed in, scroll down until you see the Account Management section. This area contains the main settings tied to your NVIDIA account, including your personal and login details. Take your time here and look for the option that says Contact Info, then click to open it. Inside the Contact Info section, find the field labeled Primary Email. This is the email address currently associated with your NVIDIA account and, by extension, your GeForce Now account. Once you locate it, click the option to change your email. Now enter your new email address carefully. It's a good idea to double-check the spelling before moving on, because this is where your verification message will be sent. If prompted, verify your password. This security step helps confirm that you are the account owner and protects your account from unauthorized changes. After that, NVIDIA will send a verification email to the new address you entered. Open your inbox for that email and follow the confirmation instructions provided. If you don't see the message right away, check your spam, junk, or promotions folder, since verification emails can sometimes end up there. Also, make sure you complete this step promptly so the update can go through without delays. Once the new email has been confirmed, the change is almost complete. The final step is to sign in again using your new email address. From that point on, your updated NVIDIA account email should also be the one linked to GeForce Now, and that's it. As a quick tip, after logging back in, it's worth checking your account settings one more time just to make sure the new primary email is showing correctly. That way you can be confident everything was updated successfully and your future account notifications will go to the right inbox.